So Chris, what is all this stuff?
Well, cleaning out my closet.
So we're giving away all this?
We're giving away all this.
Woo!
Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. Well, we were planning on doing a great episode last week with this awesome giveaway, but we ran into some technical difficulties.
Yeah, so we have an awesome product that we know you guys are gonna love, but we'd like to hear what you think it is, and then also what you'd like to see us give away throughout the year. It's gonna be an amazing year, 2023. We're looking forward to it. Let us know what you think.
It is gonna be an amazing year in 2023. We're gonna make a few changes to this show. I think you're gonna like them. And to make up for not giving away that awesome product this month, we're gonna give away a bunch of awesome products this month. This week's Kit of the Week is not a kit. It's actually a discount code for all of you. So instead of one winner, you're all winners in this. It's 25% off any ingredient kit that we sell. So go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday to find that coupon code.
That's amazing, Chris. It's a new year, trying to brew some new beer. I'm getting ready to start brewing for nationals. Let us know what kit you choose in the comments. Looking forward to it.
So let's talk about those changes we plan on making. The first thing is we're not gonna stop doing this monthly giveaway. That's the most important part of this show. We know you guys like equipment, we love equipment. So the first Friday, sometimes second, of every month, we will be announcing what we're giving away. But instead of doing weekly shows where we're up here in the studio every week between those, we're gonna be doing more hands-on, getting dirty with it. And typically those videos are gonna be featuring what we're giving away that month anyway. So we're trying to do a little bit more hands-on videos, a little bit less up here in the studio, teach you guys some fun stuff.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, getting into some backyard brewing. Still gonna be doing the mashup. We might have some of these pro brewers come brew with us in the backyard. Let us know what you want to brew on, because then I get to use it, Chris gets to use it. So looking forward to using some amazing equipment this year. Ingredients as well, let us know. Any kind of topics, tell us in the comments. It's gonna be an amazing year with some hands-on brewing.
Still gonna do some other giveaways. They'll be intermixed in there somehow, whether they're in some of the videos or on Free Beer Friday, morebeer.com/freebeerfriday. We might intermix some in there too. So you wanna make sure you're subscribed to our newsletter. You wanna make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube page and that you've hit the notification, because it's gonna be a little more fluid that way, where we might give away stuff faster, the first to do this or that kind of stuff. So small changes, but we hope you love it.
Instagram as well, make sure you subscribe to that. And I think we're on TikTok. Check us out on TikTok.
They say we are.
Yeah, I'll ask my daughter.
So to sum it up, a monthly giveaway and weekly videos, usually featuring one of these two mugs. So as most of you probably know, because everyone's always begging for it, when you comment and when you like our videos, it does actually help the algorithm. It helps us appear more as people are searching through YouTube and such. So that's why we ask. And we appreciate when you do it. And also it just makes a discussion in there that makes it, quite frankly, kind of fun. So in this video, for this time, one lucky commenter, doesn't matter what you comment, one lucky commenter is gonna win a MoreBeer gift card. So please, like the video and comment below.
And don't forget to subscribe.
And just as a reminder, there are scammers out there. So we're not gonna ask you to go to a separate app. We're not gonna ask you to pay us anything or give us any information. We will comment right below your comment, whoever won that, and tell you, we will reach out to you via email from one of our email addresses when you do win, and all we're going to be sending you are codes on how to redeem what you won. So just be aware. So what are we gonna give away this month? We're gonna give it all away this month. Everything you see here. So when we shoot these videos, a lot of times we sometimes are up here in the studio, sometimes we're back in my backyard, soon to be also doing it in Vito's backyard. And you end up with some that you want to look pretty, some that you want to have being used, and we end up with extra parts and extra units that are opened, maybe a little harder to ship in the warehouses and whatnot, but we worked with our warehouse and they're ready to ship these. So we are gonna do one big drawing, and each one of these will go separately. So no one winner will win all of this. You guys will have chances to win one of these, and we'll pick them at the end of the month.
Yeah, as Chris said, we've done videos, we've used all this stuff, so go back, check out the videos. You can see, Chris and I canning in his garage, us filling the Mega Mouth keg, getting ready to go up to NHC, brewing on the Brewzilla with Justin. All this stuff has been used, and we've got killer videos. So go check them out, comment on those, and enter to win. And like Chris said, there's gonna be several winners. So you got many possibilities to win. So enter to win, awesome stuff. We're cleaning out the closet.
Yes, that's what we're calling this, cleaning out Chris's closet, because this has all been accumulating either up here or in my garage. So we're excited for this. So to win, go to morebeer.com/Free Beer Friday and look for that monthly giveaway. Also, check out the page. We're making some changes and see people who won last year and what did they win. So we have a whole list of the items we gave away equipment-wise last year and the winners for each one of them. So maybe it can be you.
Well, thanks for watching. We've got a new video coming out next Friday, so be sure to check that out. And then we'll be back next month with another epic giveaway.
Woo! Had to do it.